Hey, so anyways, I just felt like I'd start the video with Scully. Cars are out of the garage. It's a random day. It's nice out. I had the Lotus detailed today. Looks super primo. The reason I wanted to make this video is particularly because I'm testing some batteries for Thunderpower, and they are 4S batteries, and I don't typically fly 4S, and the only 4S rig that I actually own is an old Mr. Steele rig that is on KISS V1, and yeah, this rig's like super old. It's even got the like Mr. Steele V1 motors on it, and a Crossfire mini receiver, KISS V1, KISS 24s, and yeah, it's pretty old. Not exactly the newest quad on the block, but I wanted to show you what I'm noticing with a setup that you know, works well regardless if it's 4S or 6S. Like I said, the difference between 4S and 6S is pretty negligible as far as power is concerned on my setup, because I geared it for the same feel as a 4S rig. However, I'm getting longer flight times and also a little bit more crisp response. So that's kind of why 6S is such a thing for me, and also I think it's the future. Like, who doesn't want more flight time? So anyways, I'm gonna fly a 4S rig, and it's been, other than me testing these batteries, the last time I flew 4S was probably about 8 months ago, and it's just like riding a bike. Like, I've been flying 4S for like, I don't know, 4 years, something like that, and I switched to 6S like about a year ago now, and yeah, you'll see, it flies really, really well. And KISS V1, who would have thought? I mean, the weather is perfect, there's no wind, so it's a pretty ideal scenario, but still, it flies really, really well. I'm extremely impressed with how well it flies, and honestly, looking back on it, I didn't really think that it would be that much different, because I didn't feel like I was a bad pilot back then, and I didn't feel like the gear was holding me back in any way. It was just whether or not I was willing to break it or not. So, all right, I got chest cam, I got DVR, and I'm gonna rip. Excuse the what is that called? A lawnmower noise. You can see there's the Subaru, the Miata, the Lotus, and then this situation. I mean, it's pretty fucking buttery for whatever. People are gonna complain like, oh, KISS V1, bro. Shit was weak. Bullshit. I like how my goggles actually weren't locked on the right channel. So as soon as I did that weird flippy thing over the top of the house, I basically went full black video for about half a second. It was kind of terrifying. Let's see what's in these woods. What up in these woods? I'm actually getting choked out by two-stroke, or I don't know, some kind of uncatalyzed fucking lawnmower smoke, which is happening in the background. It's blowing my nostrils apart. Dude. Oh God! These props are like 100 years old too, so I don't want to break them. So this battery is total. So I think that's a 1300, and it pulled like 1,000 milliamps out of it without even having no issues, my dude. What do we do it for?
Closer, closer.